Hello, today we will solve another question of GATE 2025, that is, if alpha, beta, gamma, delta are four real numbers, be such that the quadrature formula integration -1 to 1 fx dx equals to alpha f of -1 plus beta f of 1 plus gamma f dash of -1 plus delta f dash 1 is exact for all polynomials of degree less than or equal to 3, then we have to find out the value of 9 into alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square. So let's start the solution. So to solve this question, we will take polynomials of degree less than or equal to 3. So we will take fx equal to 1, x square, x cube and so on. So up to x cube we will take. So first let's take fx equal to 1. So we will solve this for the quadrature formula. Since fx equal to 1, then using the quadrature formula we can write integration -1 to 1 fx dx equals to alpha f of -1 plus beta f of 1 plus gamma f dashed -1 plus delta f dashed 1. This is the given quadrature formula. We will use fx equal to 1 and f dashed x equal to 0 in this formula first. So the LHS will be integration -1 to 1 dx, because fx equal to 1 in this case, and the RHS will be alpha plus beta plus 0 because f dash x is 0 for all x. So this equal to 2 into integration 0 to 1, because 1 is the even function, hence we obtain 2 equal to alpha plus beta, and this is our first result. Next we will take fx equal to x, and then similarly by the quadrature formula LHS is integration -1 to 1 x dx equal to alpha f of -1 is -1 plus beta f of 1 is 1 plus gamma and f dash x is in this case equal to 1. So gamma into f dash -1 is 1 plus delta into f dash 1 is again 1. Solving this, because x is a odd function, so the LHS will be 0 and the RHS will be minus alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. So now this is our second result. Similarly, we will now solve the quadrature formula for fx equal to x square, and in this case f dash x equal to 2x. So again using that formula, the LHS is -1 to 1 x square dx equal to alpha into this will be 1 because x square plus beta into 1 plus gamma into -2 plus delta into 2. So the LHS will be 2 into integration 0 to 1 x square dx equals to alpha plus beta minus 2 gamma plus 2 delta. Now solving this, 2 into this will be x cube by 3, and we will substitute the limits, then it will be 1 by 3. This is equals to alpha plus beta minus 2 gamma plus 2 delta. That is 2 by 3 equals to alpha plus beta minus 2 gamma plus 2 delta. Now we already know from the first result, that is alpha plus beta equal to 2. We will substitute here. So our third result is -4 by 3 equals to -2 gamma plus 2 delta. Also we can cancel out this 2 from the both side. So the final result is 2 by 3 equal to gamma minus delta. This is our third result. Again we will do the same thing for the next polynomial, which is fx equals to x cube, and in this case f dash x equal to 3x square. So again using the same formula, the LHS will be -1 to 1 x cube dx, and the RHS will be alpha into minus 1 plus beta into 1 plus gamma into 3 plus delta into again 3. Since again the x's cube is odd function, so the LHS will be 0 and the RHS will be minus alpha plus beta plus 3 gamma plus 3 delta. Now we will write this, the RHS, as minus alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta, and we will write the remaining plus 2 gamma and plus 2 delta. Now you want to know why I am writing this? Because already we have our second result, and the result is minus alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta equal to 0. We will use this result in our calculation. So since minus alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta equal to 0, then in the RHS we already have 2 gamma plus 2 delta equal to 0, that is gamma plus delta equal to 0. This is our fourth result. Now we have gamma plus delta equal to 0, and already from the previous result we have gamma minus delta equal to 2 by 3. So solving these two, we can see that plus gamma minus gamma will be cancelled out. So plus delta minus delta will be cancelled out, and 2 gamma is equal to 2 by 3. So the value of gamma is equal to 1 by 3. Since gamma plus delta equal to 0, so delta equal to minus 1 by 3. Again we will solve for alpha and beta. Since gamma plus delta equal to 0, then these we will use in this result. So using gamma plus delta equal to 0, we obtain beta minus alpha equal to 0. So we write beta minus alpha equal to 0, and already we know from the first result beta plus alpha equal to 2. So solving these two equations, we obtain plus alpha minus alpha cancel out. So 2 beta equal to 2 and then beta equal to 1. Since beta equal to alpha, so we have alpha equal to 1. Then 9 into alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square is equal to 9 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 9 is equals to 9 into 2 plus 18 plus 2. So the answer is 20.